home to a rich life in the heart of Kompally. Welcome to Aparna Greenscapes, redefining the way Kompally lives with lavishly large apartments for a truly rich life. Aparna Greenscapes is designed to captivate you from the moment you set eyes on it. It's a perfect fusion of high-rise towers and lush greenery, adding immense richness to Kompally's skyline. Spread over an impressive 13.92 acres, Aparna Greenscapes boasts 7 magnificent towers. Towers A, D, E, F and G soar to an impressive 29 floors, while towers B and C stand tall at 27 floors each. Aparna homes are built to the highest standards of quality, ensuring a sophisticated and luxurious feel. Every apartment is Vastu compliant, offering you complete peace of mind. Step inside and let your imagination take over. Our spacious apartments give you the freedom to create your ultimate dream home. The large sizes at Greenscapes means you can let your imagination come to life just the way you always dreamt of. Contemporary decor ideas, adding personal touches to each corner, or displaying the most elaborate art pieces. There's space for every idea at your new home in Aparna Greenscapes. You can choose from a wide range of both east and west facing apartment sizes, including 5 BHK plus maid room, 5,093 to 5,100 square feet, 4 BHK plus maid room, 3,657 to 4,371 square feet, 3 BHK plus study plus maid room, 3,356 to 3,745 square feet. Let's start by exploring the outdoors at Aparna Greenscapes. Discover a wellness-centric environment tailored to your needs, offering an array of health-focused amenities. Work out at the outdoor gym and dedicated calisthenics area, or get your heart pumping on the Murram jogging path. Engage in mindful activities on the serene meditation lawn. Cricket lovers have not just a box cricket facility to play matches, but cricket nets to practice till perfection. Popular ball sport facilities include a beach volleyball court, a Muga court for basketball and football, and a tennis court. Other outdoor sports amenities for a varied and rich outdoor experience include mini golf, a skating park, and a bump track for the adventurous souls. Aparna Greenscapes is set to provide a holistic childhood experience. We offer a biophilic kids play area, hopscotch, a boot camp area. If you have an affinity for nature, you will find solace in our abundant green sanctuaries. Unwind in our inviting hammock garden. Find tranquility amidst our serene tree grove, and seek inner peace in our carefully curated Zen garden. An open-air theatre, OAT, with a gallery area for refined occasions. A barbecue counter for delicious cookouts. A seating plaza for long, comfy conversations. But that's not all. Aparna Greenscapes also offers an exclusive clubhouse where you can enjoy a complete club experience with a range of modern amenities. With 3 swimming pools, including a temperature-controlled pool, terrace pool, and a kids' pool. Aparna Greenscapes also offers a full range of indoor sports including badminton courts, a squash court, carom, chess, and billiards. For hosting events, we provide multi-purpose halls and outdoor party lawns along with guest rooms for ultimate convenience. And for those seeking a balanced lifestyle, we have a fully equipped gym, a yoga deck, a spa for relaxation, a mini theatre for entertainment, a business lounge for work, and a cafe and library for leisure. The club at Aparna Greenscapes also includes essential amenities like a creche, a bank, a supermarket, and a pharmacy. Located right on the Kompally main road and only 3 minutes from Suchitra Junction, Aparna Greenscapes offers supreme connectivity, whether it's the city's main business hubs, pharma giants, top schools, or the IT hub. When it comes to quality education, Aparna Greenscapes offers unmatched access to schools like CSINE School, Delhi International School, Pearson School, St. Anne's School, Suchitra Academy, and Unicent School, all within 10 minutes. While pharma firms like Lorven Biologicals, Telangana Life Sciences, Dr. Reddy Labs, Bharat Biotech and Symphony Pharma are all located within 45 minutes. Aparna Greenscapes is also just 18 minutes away from the upcoming Gateway IT Park and only 28 minutes from Tech Mahindra Bahadurpalli SEZ. Asian Cineplanet Multiplex offers great weekend entertainment within a 10-minute radius. And to ensure your family's well-being at all times, multiple top hospitals are within quick reach, including Renova Hospital, Ankura Hospital for Women and Children, Shrikara Hospital, Roche Hospital, and Malla Reddy Narayana Multi-Specialty Hospital. Aparna Greenscapes is not just a residential gated community, it's a lifestyle upgrade. It offers an unparalleled living experience. Come and be a part of this extraordinary community. Aparna Greenscapes, home to a rich life.